Welcome to Oklahoma Alpha Beats. Today I'm going to give you a tour of what the house looks like. So this is our little like front area. It has some benches and chairs and stuff like that. Good place to sit whenever it's not really hot outside. And then as you come in, this is our foyer.
The foyer.
This has a credenza and some chairs. And then this is our formal living room. And this is our grand piano and all of this nice furniture, and actually a lot of girls study over there in that corner. Okay, and then we walk this way.
Ignore the ugly table.
And
this one.
This is our living room, like a more casual living room. There's the TV.
I think it would be called the informal.
Oh yeah, the informal living room. People do homework here too. This is our dining room. That was actually remodeled about a year ago. So it's a really nice place. It has these cute chairs. And this little like, and over here is another credenza, some like sitting area. There's a patio out there.
What even is a credenza? Does anyone actually know?
This is it. And then this pretty piece of artwork. Here's our kitchen area. I don't know where the light is, so sorry it's dark. We have plates right here.
Yeah.
Ice cream freezer.
Let's see if there's anything in here.
I know there's not.
Nope.
No ice cream to show. And then fridge. This microwave looks new.
I think it is.
And then the buffet area. This is usually like a salad bar right here, and then hot meals right here. This lovely juice machine in the kitchen that no one's
I've never
allowed to
used
use.
that.
Juice machine?
Yeah.
Oh, I have. For cranberry juice. Okay, ice. And all the goods. Come on upstairs with us. So, this is our first, oh wait, this hallway is really dark. Excuse that?
Where's the light?
I don't know.
Here's one of the rooms. No one's moved in yet.
We're filming this whenever we move in tomorrow.
Here's one of the closets, pretty big. You can't really tell in that,
Okay.
but whatever.
And then you walk down this hallway. It's known as like the short hallway on the second floor. And we'll take you to our workout room, which is really nice. That was also updated last year. So here you are. Some Alpha yoga mats, big old mirror, some workout machines, you know.
Do you want to get on one?
Let me just demonstrate how this works.
Next.
So, yeah.
Where to next?
The
TV room?
yeah. This is the TV room.
Why are the lights
We don't
on?
know why the lights won't work. Oh, here we go. And we have this,
Oh my gosh.
we have this big, nice sectional, this little ottoman thing, cute chairs. And then over here is our mail room. As you can see, there's mail. And then this cute little cart thingy. Not really sure what the point of it is. Then this cute table, this bar area, this fridge. And then here's where they put the snacks usually. So every morning the house mom will load these with snacks. So that's really nice. And there's a Keurig and this random lamp. And then we'll take you to the laundry room and the bathroom. The bathrooms were just renovated this summer. So they're brand spanking new. And here's the bathroom. Here's the...
It looks so good.
Like,
It is so bright.
This is the vanity area. Toilets, you can tell they've been cleaned. And then this cute wallpaper. And back here where they store your shower cabinet and stuff.
It's so bright in here.
I know it is. What's up there?
Just
Anything?
cabinets.
And then a full-length mirror. And then over here is this cute shower curtain for the new shower. They're brand new. Got the rainforest. What is that?
Rainfall.
Rainfall head.
Or,
And then
I don't think that's right.
whatever.
Oh, no wonder I couldn't get in it earlier because I tried to push it in
Oh.
and it banged that.
Yeah, you have to open it like this. So,
There's a lot of showers.
yeah, there's a lot. They're like way bigger than the other ones on the other floors, so that's nice too. So then, got a nice trash can. And then when we walk this way, we're walking to the laundry room, which is right here.
Ooh.
So, you know, really fancy. And then we have some like random, this is another 2-girl room that's currently empty. It has the same like setup and stuff like that. And then there's a 3-girl at the end of this hallway that will show you. It's kind of very far down. So this is the 3-girl. It got 3 desks, closets. So these are nice because everyone gets the same amount of closet space. And then we'll go to the 3rd floor where the study room is, which is kind of a walk from here, but that's okay. So these are all our composites of the past alpha fees. The president's room. It has like I think a queen size bed and stuff like that, so it's really nice. You don't have to live with anyone. And then this is our biggest 3-girl room, which is like literally massive. And everyone gets like a full closet. It's really nice. It's a good place to live. Big. Lots of things. And then it takes me into the 24th.
Are we going into your room?
No. I'll show it at a later date when it's finished. Or I guess I can show this when I'm finished too. I want to show the rooms that have the non-booked beds.
Madeline's room last year.
And then this is one of the other rooms where the beds are like not bunked. So most of our beds are bunked, but there's a few like this that are not. They're just a little bit smaller because you lose floor space because of that. More composites and random credenzas.
What is a credenza?
It's just like an end table or like a table. This is Chandler's old room from last year.
Aww.
Or not last year, wait. A year and a half, 2 years ago.
With Kate.
Throw back to those days.
Oh, that's honestly sad.
I know, it is a... So excuse the dark hallway again. This is another bathroom right here. I'll show you my unfinished room tour. It's not done yet, but for the most part it's done. So I gotta do the bulletin boards and get some more lamps and stuff. Oh wait, should I show my closet? It's kind of organized. And then this is our study room. It's massive. We have iMac computers and a cute little bench over there. Oh, if you like science and stuff, we also have.
If you like science and stuff, we have bones.
We have bones for all your needs. Okay, so we'll walk y'all back down the main staircase so you can see what it looks like to come in and out of the house if you don't go the back staircase like we did. So this is the same stairs we came down. With all these cute pictures of sisters of ours. And then we have this cute little sitting area.
Credenza.
No. And then this is our main staircase for the house. And then, should we show the backyard?
We don't have a backyard.
There we go. Okay,
Oh.
so that's the main staircase. Show the main staircase. And then we'll show you the backyard really quickly. It's not anything special. Use that. Here's the
Ooh.
backyard. Some tanning chairs. A scary basement.
Should we show the NPR?
Yeah. Wait, show that cute half bath.
Here's the guest bath. It's really cute. in there.
And then this is what's
Guest room.
right here.
Yeah,
It
guest
is locked.
bedroom. Craft closet.
This is our NPR multi-purpose room, also known as our chapter room. It's really something else.
Where all the fun stuff happens.
On these floors.
Right here.
So I love this space. It's
So homey.
so multi-useful. Thanks for coming. Bye.